Good evening, friends. Today we will discuss on another swing-based strategy for stock market. Previously, we had discussed about a 50 EMA at 4 hourly interval, and the stocks which we had picked up like Inox, Ultratech, they all have given good amount of returns to us. Today, I will show you one indicator which gives a very good returns and on a very high RR ratios. This is we have multiple indicators. It is on what thing you feel comfortable is most important. My idea is not to tell you that you use this indicator or this indicator is. My idea is only to show you like this thing works this way. You have to backtest it, use it, try it, do a paper trade to start with, and then take up the trades. I'm not a SEBI registered guy who can guarantee any kind of results. So you all have to be little vigilant. You all have to be more attentive and then take trades according to your own liking or disliking. Always start with a smaller amount and gradually scale up and then increase your investment. Now today is a very simple strategy which we are going to discuss is swing trade setup. You can do it in the stock market in buying shares, or you can buy futures. Please don't do in options because this is a totally different ball game. Time frame is 1 hour. The indicators we are going to use is a combo indicator. This is the indicator in TradingView. Actually, what two indicators we are looking at is volume weighted moving average and RSI. And we are going to use their crossover as an indication to buy or enter or exit. Whenever our RSI will cross over the volume weighted moving average, we will take the trade. Once it comes down, we will exit the trade. The time frame which we are going to use is 1 hour. Volume weighted moving average, what we are going to use is 50, and RSI we will use as 7. So just remember these settings. This is what we are going to use. Now let me plot it for you. If you go to the indicator section, just try relative strength index. This comes as a default indicator in the trading view. This is a default indicator in the trading view. Just plot it. So you will have a indicator coming, which is an underlay indicator. It is below the chart. It is coming. Now go to the settings. RSI, what is there is 7. We will make it 7. Then moving average is volume weighted moving average, the last one, and the length is 5050. Now let's go and check any stock. Normally I do in the other stocks. So let me show you my list. So this was the stock which has given me a good kind of a return. Now this is the Varun Beverages stock. I don't know, the result came yesterday, but my entry came somewhere around about when it crossed. So this is the yellow line is the moving average line, and the blue line or the violet line is moving average or RSI line. So we got an entry on this candle. Now let's mark at the close of this candle, we entered the stock. Now this is our entry price is 1070. And at what price did it cross below it? It is at this point. So we'll mark this point also. So what is the exit point is 1129, or we can say 27. How much we have made? 57 rupees, nearly 5%. In how many days? This is 1st November 10:15, and we exited today at, actually you exited on this candle. This candle came below it, this one. So, but we take on the safer side, okay, 1127. So 57 in rupees in one day. That is 5% return you get. Now you see how this stock has again worked here. Now you come here. This is for buying. At this point, this is the candle it entered. We'll put up one bar here. This is the candle we entered. Sorry, we entered here. 988. Let's say 990. Let's put it like this way. We entered at 990. And where did we get out? This is here. We know we are not getting out here. We are getting out here on this candle. This is the close of the candle. That is 1045. Again, we have made 55 rupees per share. We are not looking for short selling. See, I'm not looking for short selling. I'm only looking for a buy entries because I'm a kind of dealing with stocks. So this is how, this is a very simple setup is. Just put the rules as buy is when RSI crosses over the volume weighted moving average. And sell is you exit when RSI comes below volume weighted moving average. So the rules are absolutely clear. So if we had started from here, that is on, let me see, what is that day? 18th October. By now we have made 55 plus 57, 117 rupees, which is approximately 11 to 12% in last 13 trading days. So it's a very simple setup which you can use. Now let me show you the stocks I normally do it. Now next is Ultratech Cement. See here, our entry is here at this candle. So the close is below. So let's put it on a very round figure as 6450 is our entry. And where did we exit? We exited on this candle. This candle came below where the line is. Yeah, this candle came. So this is 6761. How much? 311 rupees. 2% in 4 days. There will be some false entries like it. Now you entered here. And the next candle came down. So you entered at 600 and 6427 and you exited at 6419. So 8 rupees loss. But when you are getting in hundreds. When you are losing 8, 10 or 20 rupees. Now I show you another stock like what is Jubilant Foods. See here, we got an entry out here. We say on this candle. That is 593. And where did we exit? We exited today at this candle. 615. Again 22 rupees. We got it in matter of few days only. Again in 5 days, we got 22 rupees, which is again 4%. So this is a very basic setup. You can do it. Wherever it gives you a bias call, if you give it's a sideways market, it will give you a buy call here, like it gave it here. The very next candle, it closed below it. So you're almost closing it at cost to cost only. You again got in here, exited here. So your loss was just 2 rupees. But when it gave you huge amount of money. So this is a very simple setup to do it. Based on this setup, there are few stocks which we must look for tomorrow or day after this. Tata Elxsi. Just see. We are at a very low level. It's already crossed here and we are getting the stock almost at the same price. So Tata Elxsi is one stock which we must look at. Reliance. Our entry would have been here, 2539. Stock is also trading somewhere around about 5 rupees above it. This is one stock to do it. Then is Tejas Network. Just see here. Just picked up here. So this is a perfect entry. 683 is a perfect entry. And if we can go it can go up till any levels. So we enter when it has crossed over and we exit when it goes down. Now you see Maruti. Had you taken a short trade, anybody who is very good taking risk, you would have entered out here as and boom, 300 rupees downwards. But see, if you had taken a buy trade here, this is it, 9226, and you would have exited here. 9585, again 300 rupees in 3 days time. This is important. See, Sri Cements. We got entry here, 21433. And where is the exit? It's here. Nearly 1000 rupees movement. Now let's check some stocks. We'll start from the top. See the Astral Pipes. Entry was here. 1957. Already 100 rupees done, 5% done. Bajaj Electricals, we don't have an entry. You see, Bajaj Finserv gave us an entry out here. 1650, 60 rupees already movement done. Bajaj Finance. We are at that level. If it closes above, we can take a trade and then it is again going to go up. Bank Nifty, I don't do on this. DMart is not there. Ease my trade. I'll check it. Ease my trade. You have an entry out here. No, we don't have an entry. No entry. Indigo, we don't have. Now you see, where did Indigo give us an entry? At this point, 1761. And exit is again 32 rupees. Dublin Food we have done. Now let's go and see the bigger list. I see the other way. LIC Housing Finance. Buy entry. Bharti Airtel, no. Apollo Hospital, no. Adani Wilmar, no. Maruti Suzuki, no. Torrent, no. Godrej Properties, no. TVS, no. L&T, no. iShares, no. Seat, no. Apollo, no. Davis, no. Bandhan Bank, no. Sri Cements we have done. Check, keep an eye on Hindustan Unilever. It is coming here. If it closes, one candle closes above it, this will cross over and then it's a good buy. Enfees, no. Cipla, no. Capit, no. DLF, no. IndusInd Bank, no. I will just show you. I'll just scan through it. Check this thing. Indus Towers. Just crossover. There is a crossover of Indus Tower. Bajaj Finance. Yeah, we are not having much shares right now. Let's see it. We'll just scan it down. Minus Tata Elxsi is a good buy for me. I will just show you how it is. See, Gujarat State Petronet Limited. We have a crossover. Last time it gave a crossover here, 223 entry, and you exited at this point. 224, no loss. You must have made only a rupee or so. But the system prevents you from going into losses. Now, Marico. Marico is here. It has given a buy. Tata Elxsi. For me, it's a good buy. Because had I even bought it here, it has not crossed below it. So it is almost coming at the level it had crossed. So this is the level I'm looking at. Tata Coffee again. Now you see this, Kaveri Seeds. What beautiful run did it give here? This is where I had entered. I personally remember this. I had entered at 428. And where did I exit? I exited out here. It's 463, 10%. 10% return. Escorts. See escorts here. It is below. It is below. So be careful. Let the another candle get formed. This was a Grasim entry. 1716. And exit was 1756. 40 rupees again. Havels is now coming in buy. Havels is here. Almost at the price. 1219. So you can just go and see it. See Volta, how beautifully it moved. 872. And you exited here. 892. I'll show you a few more examples. HDFC 2382 and exit was here after 120 rupees. Water base, it's giving a buy. CPFC, it gave a buy here, 103 rupees, 106, and exit is here, 115 rupees, 10%. So go and check all these stocks yourself. You will find that you will get a very good entries into the stock. Now you see IEX, a share which is doing very bad these days. Many people are stuck 139 and still you are almost 4 rupees done plus. See Sun Pharma, had you entered here, this is the candle, no? 522, you're already 22 rupees plus. Lemon Tree, check here. 84.45, you're 88, 5% done. Now check Cochin Shipyard. This is the buy. 569. You're already at just 589 today. So This is a very simple setup which one can use to do a kind of swing trades. Very it's very user friendly, and it is you don't require any complex analysis using this. I still again repeat it. I'm not SEBI registered, so please trade in consultation with your financial advisors. Please don't blame me for any losses. I'm just sharing an idea with you. You're free to use it or discard it. It's up solely up to you. Thank you, everybody.